Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, as you have seen in the thumbnail, today it is kids special. For this I have taken only two fruits, pineapple and papaya. The combo of both is just amazing. So in a jar I have taken a cup of chopped pineapples and a cup of chopped papayas. Cover the lid and make a smooth paste out of it. See, the paste should look like this, very silky and smooth. Now with the help of a strainer or a colander, strain the puree and set it out. Now pour the mixture in a hot pan and start stirring. Keep the flame in medium to high position. Stir continuously, else it will burn at the bottom. Here I have taken only 1/3 cup of sugar as the fruits are ripened very much. You can adjust as per your desire. Just add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Now you can see the jam has started thickening after 10 minutes. Before you turn off the flame, add a teaspoon of lemon juice just as a preservative. You can store this up to 30 days in your fridge. Now you can see this is the perfect stage to turn off the stove. Started leaving the sides as well. Now just to check whether the jam is ready or not, pour a small ladleful into a bowl and just run your finger through it. Water should not drop. And yeah, it's done. So guys, try out this recipe and let me know your comments down below. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe my channel and stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye.